Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, everybody? It's your boy, Kings23 Kicks, back here with another sneaker cleaning Sunday. Yep, it's been a minute since I've done one of these, but you know, I gotta get back on my videos and my vlogs and show you guys what's going on, because I do a multitude of different type of videos. So with that being said, this week instead of Crep, what I'm using is back to my old faithful, which is a Rejuvenator, and today I'm going to be cleaning my Yeezy blue tints, 350 V2 blue tints, you know, whatever you want to call them. The things that I'm actually going to be using today, because I am going to be deep washing these, just for the simple fact that, you know, there's some toe stains and stuff on them, as y'all can see right there. So definitely finna clean these bad boys up, because they are rather hully. They definitely do need some cleaning, a little more TLC. So, you know, these are like the beaters, so definitely gotta tighten them up. You guys didn't know, you know, the ultimate shoe, the ultimate kit, there's a whole bunch of different things that come with it. But what I'm going to be using today is the cleaning solution. This goes with the laundry kit, and definitely going to be using some deodorizer right after that. And also I'm going to be using some water and stain repellent after I get these guys dried up. These are my sneaker bags, my brushes that I'm using, and of course, you know, you need the shoe trees. I do have my water on deck, and you guys already know I do like using my little red bucket, because that's what I started using before I actually got the extra large kit. So first thing we're going to do, go ahead and put in the shoe trees so we can get these boys ready to go and ready to clean. First thing though, while I'm doing that, hey, go ahead and take the time, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit that notification bell, and you will be notified of all videos that I drop, so you guys can be part of the kingdom. If you guys haven't done that already, I greatly appreciate it if you do that. And if you are doing that, hey, you're already part of the kingdom, welcome back. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget, I do have a 500 subscriber giveaway, where once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving away 50 bucks, whether it be Cash App, Venmo, or I'll mail it to you guys, or whatever the case may be. But however I do it, I definitely vlog that. So make sure that you guys check out the video, which is up there, and follow the directions of that video. And just in case you don't follow the directions, make sure you watch the video, and so you can follow the directions of the video, so you can get entered in. Doesn't cost you a thing. Hey, as a matter of fact, smash that thumbs up button if you like these videos. I like to do them every other week, you know what I'm saying, sneaker cleaning Sunday, just because there's just no point in doing them every week. So we're going to get started. As always, you know, I like to start off with the soft bristle brush, then I work my way to the medium to hit along the midsoles, and then I hit the stiff brush to hit those bottoms up. As a matter of fact, I think I need to wash these bottoms off before I even get started on those. Yeah, I need to get the majority of that off. So give me a second here. Alright, so for the most part, got that washed off. First thing we're going to do, put in that sneaker cleaning solution into the bucket, grab that soft bristle brush, and then we're going to start doing work. Dance that around a little bit, and I'm definitely a firm believer of letting the brush work for you. So I don't want to work hard, I just want to, you know what I'm saying, let the brush do the work. Get those suds in there. And that's really the purpose of doing the soft bristle brush, is to get the suds off in there so it can work it out. back. Shoes are dry. As you can see, these things have been taken out of these bad boys. Bottom's looking alright. You know what I'm saying? This is the bottom of the shoe. I don't expect anything different. You know, I guess that'll be my thumbnail. But they're all clean and dried out. So the next thing that you want to go to do is spray these bad boys with some, water stain repellent, and that's just to make sure that you don't get any more stains or anything like that in them. Once you do that, you let these bad boys dry for another, I usually say probably like another couple of hours. That way, you know, you make sure that they're not going to be, they'll be resistant to stains or anything like that. If you do have like athlete's feet or your shoes do stink, or sometimes they do, eventually they will, you know, they have the advanced deodorizer. Mine don't, fortunately for me, but at the same time, I like my shoes to smell good, so I always hit them up anyway after I wash them, just because. So there it is, the Yeezy Blue Tints. Greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget, there is a giveaway going on, and like I say, thank you for tuning in and joining me for another sneaker cleaning Sunday. Y'all comment down below, let me know what did y'all think about it, what do you want me to clean next. As a matter of fact, y'all let me know, like, what is y'all team? And I know my Cowboys, they are not doing too hot right now. I'm not even happy with them. I'm not even happy with Jason Garrett or Jerry Jones right now. So I can't speak on nothing right now with my team. But let me know what your team is and what do you think your predictions are for the Super Bowl. Let's chop it up in the comments down below. But like I say, appreciate y'all for tuning in. To all my kings, stand up. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Always stressing me. Coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.